All right, so one more type of factoring we can do is actually with sums and differences of cubes. This is from section 6.6 of our book. Okay. And so there's two formulas here, and they actually have a nice simple rule called the SOAP rule to help you remember them. So let's look at that. Okay, we're going to be trying to factor things of the form a cubed plus b cubed, or a cubed minus b cubed. Okay, so the SOAP rule has this, it's kind of a nice little trick. So a cubed plus b cubed is going to factor as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this is called the SOAP rule because what we get is, okay, the first part, use another color here. So, dud. First part is, okay, it's always going to be a and then the same sign as the original thing. So that's S, same sign. Okay, and then we get, so the next thing, a squared minus ab, it's always the opposite sign. That's where we get the O. And then this one is always positive. That's the A and the P. So that's why we get the SOAP rule. And then it's actually the same thing for the a cubed minus b cubed. So just going by that trend, okay, it's going to be same sign, so a minus b times, again, a squared. Now it's the opposite sign, so we go from negative to positive, ab, and then plus b squared, always positive. So it's the same pattern for both of them. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple examples. So let's try something, maybe let's do a simple one here, x cubed plus 8, something like that. Okay, so maybe we first want to identify what a and b are. So x cubed is, that's the cubed thing, x is cubed. And then 8 we could write as 2 cubed. So our a is the x, our b is the 2. Okay. So now we're ready to do the SOAP rule. So we have a plus, so it'll be a plus b, so x plus 2. And then we have a squared, that's x squared, minus, because we need to switch to the opposite sign. So it'll be minus a times b, so that's 2 times x, or x times 2, or 2 times x, minus, or plus, always plus, b squared, which is 2 squared, 4. And actually, in general, with these ones, your second factor there is going to be prime. So it's actually done at this point. All right, let's try a little bit trickier one. So let's try 2x cubed minus 64. Sorry, 27x cubed minus 64. So pause maybe and try to work that out. Figure out what terms are A and B. Okay. So notice, okay, 27 is what we get if we cube 3. So we could say that our first term is 3x quantity cubed. And then 64 is what we would get if we cubed 4. So we have 4 cubed for that term. So it's looking like our A is going to be the 3x, our B is the 4. Okay, so to write our factorization, we start out A minus B, right? Same sign as minus. So 3x minus 4. And then now we need A squared. So that's 3x squared is 3 squared is 9, x squared is x squared. We have 9x squared. Now we need to go opposite sign, so we got a minus here, we do a plus there. And then we have A times B, so 3x times 4, that gives us 12x. Okay, and then it's always plus B squared, so 4 squared is 60. That is our answer. And that's factoring sums and differences of